heater on, front camera on, down to pick up Chica, Taz and Machiko. I'll explain more later what this trip is all about, but it's going to be pretty funny. How far to Yamashiro? 59 minutes, yeah?
Yeah.
Where are we going first? Komatsu.
Okay. We're going to, after Komatsu, we're heading to the temple.
But which turn off it? We're going off at Komatsu?
Yeah.
Why don't you use the real map, Taz? You're the only person I know who gets lost all the time on a map. Why isn't yours speaking?
It is. But
It's Chica's.
anything.
You've got sound turned off, Taz. That's why. You don't know how to use a map. It's the Japanese map system. I love it. Just checking. I like it when the conversation goes to food. Because then I don't have to speak as much. It stops me listening. I need double earplugs for 2 weeks in New Zealand.
So do I.
I'm already having nightmares.
Left.
Of course, Tess, this goes up the hill. Did you figure this out yourself? So which road is this? Masugu?
Yeah.
We're finally safe. We have a 7-Eleven. Yes. Why do they have traffic signals? There's nobody here. Happy with the 7-Eleven coffee. To go up the hill. Great day. Well, great 2 days actually. Pleased to take Machiko out and drink socially. It's kind of cool. And Chica and Taz were great too. Pretty funny. Lost as usual. But they need to program their maps.